Wok bibik kappa mudipul bisokmung. It's the pork intestines curry with green chili and ginger with sodium. It is A.chik Traditional curry. Wok bibik ko name strang imung. Iko chi denga chi rete karion rete galaha. Yakme chi ko galaha. First of all, I have to wash well the pork's intestines, and I boil with water, with salt, and I throw away the water. It's called wok bibik kappa in Garo language. Ingredients are green chili, ginger, and we can use the local products, sodium, the karchi, but I don't have now, so I'm using the company's sodium to prepare this curry. Now I'm eating the papaya leaf. We used to add the papaya leaves in kappa. Wak pin ko nga no mir ta chinga ha. Ta si sodas nas kana wak pin ko na me rti a chinga ha. Ta ori bang e sung na ruti sung nang jawa ha. Daya wak bibik kappa ra ha. Now it's ready. The pork intestines kappa is now ready. We can eat now.